guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to Ogbomosho for cashew nut, and the MIROCK man is driving right here. Let's say hi.
Hi guys.
And we have a good here. I go say hi. So we are at Ibadan right now. We'll soon get there. Probably we're gonna stop for a coffee and get some few things to eat. Then we're gonna move. I'm gonna take you along with me. We're gonna see everything together. So stay tuned, guys. Now we're at ShopRite right now to get a few things. And then I'm hungry, so we need to get something to eat. Mike.
Huh?
You call him. Well, this is your chicken is nice. Mike. Good.
We're eating.
We're eating, man.
So guys, we are at the Ibadan ShopRite. We just got all this stuff that can help us with our traveling. You know, you mustn't travel with an empty stomach. That's why you just need to eat, you know. Then we'll be heading to, after this we'll be heading to the farm to get what we came for. Let me eat first, then I'll carry you along. How am I going to eat this, huh?
What's not in there?
So big. Mike, where we going?
We're going to Ogbomosho.
From where? Huh?
Going to Ogbomosho.
Our driver is very slow.
I'm sure it's him.
Slow. He's driving 60, 70, 40, 50. Hey man, you're going far distance. Slow down, baby.
It's crazy driving.
Huh?
It's like crazy driving.
I know. In Basari. Okay.
You need your tools?
Should I bring the tools? Should I bring the tools? Yes. Let's open the bag. Let's see what the thing is.
Okay. A cashew bag.
This bag is not good. Huh? The bag for cacao.
It's not good. I know. I think we still need to. Yeah. It's not very dry.
It's dry, but it needs some sun. This one is too much here. This.
Yes. Never did that. Son, oh my God, the most choice is there.
The water.
Yeah, I said that they've not dried it.
They dried it, but it need more sun.
Yeah, more sun.
So this is the Ogbomosho. And Ogbomosho is still big. You see, you have some other side there.
This is not good.
Ṣé rí ọ̀kìnrin tó wà ń bẹ̀? Ó máa ń ba aṣọ tó wà náà jẹ́.
Okay, he said this one is just coming from the farm.
Huh?
He said this one is just coming now from the farm.
Yeah, they dry it there, but it need more sun. At least 1 day or 2 days it will be good for it. And if they dry it here, these things will go down.
Why do we have to sit down?
Ẹgbẹ́ ilé wọn tí rárá. Ilé ìlú tí wọ́n lè bí.
This one is not
One side.
not right, this one is not.
You take some from here, you take some from here.
Okay.
This one.
Hey, you love. Mommy, move glove to the one in the boots. No, no, boots.
Whatever sample you collect from Ogbomosho, we cut it at once.
Look at this.
You cut the cashew.
Look at this.
This is cashew I used to buy that side.
Uh-huh.
You can get some size like this.
Really?
There, where I'm buying. That side.
This is what the man wanted to buy and he paid.
If you take this one, let me cut this one. This one is maybe not good.
Have the key. Raju, the key.
The king is here.
Sorry, man.
Shower.
You have to go.
Man,
It's good. Huh?
It's good.
it's good, man. Please take that picture and send it to our warehouse there. Because now this place will be. Who is the boss?
Eat.
You can eat like this?
Yeah, very good.
Very good. Show money is let me see.
Acho que eu vim lá. Agora é um coninho. Easy. But this one is not my dry. This one is drier than this. That it mix.
No problem, we mix it, then we'll, because this is not sufficient quantity, then you can make your sample.
Okay.
You just only can get your idea.
Okay.
They will not sell like that, this bag and this bag is different.
Yeah.
When you are going to buy together, you need to do your sampling together.
Yes, this moisturizer. But it's telling me that you want to dry this. See? She will be back on the days.
You go better. But because you are doing this one, you on it and don't on my phone on.
Okay, what you are saying is I should pour it here. I'm thinking I should put it separate.
No.
Later we will mix it, then it's good, you can mix it.
Okay, we should mix both of them. Let me put it again. It's okay. Maybe it's about it's okay, go ahead. Yeah, that's what that has to be. Don't worry.
Mucho contenido y mal.
Oh my, that's okay. Food me caught a lot.
Ogbomosho
After
cashew.
those things, we'll probably stay.
So, Mr. Bello, where are we going right now?
We are going to Ade Keaton.
Ade.
Keaton.
Okay.
We left one store now, so we are going to another store.
Okay, we're going to another store. That's good. Raju, how are you doing?
Mr. Bello looking for cashew.
Yeah, he's looking for cashew.
I'm looking for big cashew.
Big cashew. Nice. So we saw this place where there's some dry cashew and we're here to check it out. I love cashew. Àwọn òbẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀yin la máa bá sọ̀rọ̀. Oh, okay.
That's the video. Oh, akbar lo problema.
Warehouse and they have this dry products already. There is this space. There is this space for more products. Wow, I'm so tired. I woke up very early. Look at how stressed up my face is. I hope we see more of a place we can get cashew oil. We're planning on renting an apartment here where there will be enough space for us to sun dry our cashew, which is gonna be of a little challenge because we're trying to meet up people who can help us with the apartment. It's hot here.
No, let that walk like that.
No. Park here.
It's risky.
No.
No.
Just give your indicator.
I've got them out there.
Walk like that, man. Yeah.
I've got them out there.
Ah, ọmọ àgbálùmọ̀ yìí máa dùn ó.
Ṣé ká mọ alápẹ̀rẹ̀ wa?
Irú ẹ̀ má máa lápẹ̀rẹ̀ wà. Òun ló fẹ́ jẹ púpọ̀. No, this one. This time around. Yes! Oh, come on! You just come. So guys, after coming back from Ogbomosho, we decided to crash Ibadan. And we are here playing bowling.
I'm not playing, I play PS4.
He play PS4,
FIFA
but
19.
we are here bowling.
He only like cashew.
He like cashew.
He don't like playing ball.
He want tons and tons and tons of
Man, I
cashew.
love to make money, like
Yeah.
Mr. Rado.
So thanks so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Click the subscribe button for more videos, man. Thumbs up guys.